Today, I am going to show you how to create a birthday number photo collage in Canva. This is the same type of design that people are selling on Etsy and making good money from. And the best part? You can create it completely for free in Canva. Let's get started. Alright, open Canva and click the plus icon to create a new design. Search for A2 size and choose the portrait version. First, let's add a background color. Go to Colors and add a custom color of your choice. Now for the number collage, we need to install an app. Go to Apps and search for Collage Maker. This is the app. Click to install it. If you're an old viewer of my channel, you already know this app. I've already made a detailed tutorial on it. I'll add the link in the description so you can watch it after this video. And today I am only using the free features of this app. Now click on Change to open the templates. Here select numbers from the categories. Then select the number you want for your design. Next I'll choose Grid Layout. Adjust the columns and rows depending on how many photos you want to add. Then I'll add a gap between the frames. Once everything is set, add it to the page. Let's make it bigger and adjust position. Now let's add photos into the collage. I'll search for birthday girl photos and drag them into the frames one by one. And all the photos are now added. Now let's add the text. Press T on your keyboard to add text. Place it at the top and type Happy. Make it uppercase, go to Fonts, search for Montserrat, and apply bold size. Make it bigger and adjust the position. Next, add another text below and type Birthday. Center align it, go to Fonts, and for that I'll choose Holiday Font. Make it uppercase and adjust it. Now duplicate the happy text. Place it below birthday and type the person's name. Make it capitalize and adjust it. Finally, add one more text at the bottom and adjust it. Now let's add some graphics to make the design more attractive. Add a few elements and position them around the design. And our birthday collage is now ready. You can download it, print it out, or send it directly to your client. Now, if you want to sell this on Etsy, let me show you how to create professional listing photos like these ones. First, go back to your design. Click Share and download it as a PNG. Now open Canva in a new tab. Go to Templates and search for Wall Art Mockups. You'll find many great mockups here. Just pick the one you like. Then click Customize this template to open it. Now simply drag your downloaded image into the page and replace the dummy image, and your mockup is ready. Really cool, right? Let me try another one. I'll choose this mockup. Go to Uploads and drag our image inside. Then I'll change the text. And that's it. 2 different mockups done in just a few minutes. And that's how you create a birthday number photo collage in Canva and professional Etsy mockups to go with it. This is a great design you can sell on Etsy or gift to someone special. And if you want to learn another cool digital product that you can sell on Etsy, watch this video next, where I show you how to create a viral foldable business card completely from scratch.